Are you ready to take control of your money? Budgeting is the key. It's not just about tracking your expenses, but about understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions. By creating a budget, you can see the bigger picture of your financial health. It's about making a plan for your money. This plan helps you allocate your income towards expenses, savings, and investments. It's like giving every dollar a job. When you know what your money is doing, you can avoid unnecessary debt and build a secure future. This helps you spend wisely and reach your goals. Whether it's sticking to a shopping list to avoid impulse buys or setting aside a portion of your income for savings, budgeting keeps you on track. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial priorities. Whether you're saving for a house, a vacation, or just peace of mind, a budget is essential. It provides clarity and direction, helping you to prioritize your spending and saving. With a budget, you can plan for both short-term and long-term goals, ensuring that you're prepared for any financial situation. It's the roadmap to your financial well-being. Think of it as a guide that helps you navigate your financial journey. With a budget, you can identify areas where you can cut back, find opportunities to save more, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. It's about taking control and making your money work for you. Many people find budgeting daunting. They think it's too complicated or restrictive, but it doesn't have to be. We'll break down budgeting into simple steps. You'll learn how to manage your money effectively. Start by tracking your income and expenses. This is the foundation of any good budget. Without knowing where your money is coming from and where it's going, it's impossible to make informed financial decisions. Write down how much money you earn each month. This includes your salary, any freelance work, side gigs, and even passive income like dividends or rental income. Make sure to account for all sources of income, no matter how small. Then list all your expenses, from rent and groceries to entertainment and subscriptions. Don't forget to include irregular expenses like annual insurance premiums or holiday gifts. It's important to be as detailed as possible to get an accurate picture. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. By categorizing your expenses, you can see which areas are consuming the most of your income. This step is crucial for identifying potential areas for savings. You might be surprised by what you find. Many people discover they're spending more than they realized on non-essential items. This awareness is the first step towards making positive changes in your financial habits. Once you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to set financial goals. These can be short-term goals like saving for a vacation, or long-term goals like buying a house or retiring early. Having clear goals will give you something to work towards and help you stay motivated. Next, create a plan to achieve these goals. This might involve cutting back on certain expenses, finding ways to increase your income, or setting up automatic transfers to a savings account. The key is to make your plan realistic and achievable. Remember to celebrate your progress along the way. Achieving financial goals takes time and effort, so it's important to acknowledge and reward yourself for the milestones you reach. This will help keep you motivated and on track. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. Life is constantly changing, and your budget should reflect that. Make it a habit to review your budget at least once a month and make any necessary adjustments. This will ensure that your budget remains effective and aligned with your financial goals. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting a budget that works for you. A well-crafted budget can provide peace of mind, reduce financial stress, and help you achieve your financial dreams. So start today and take control of your financial future. Once you know where your money is going, you can start making adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back on spending. For example, could you eat out less or cancel unused subscriptions? Small changes can make a big difference over time. Section 5. Identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses. In this section, we will delve into the importance of recognizing and cutting out costs that do not add value to your life. By doing so, you can redirect those funds towards more meaningful financial goals. Saving money is crucial for achieving your financial goals. It allows you to build a safety net for emergencies, invest in opportunities that can grow your wealth, and ultimately, achieve financial freedom. Start by setting a savings goal, whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or even an early retirement. Having a clear target in mind will motivate you to stay disciplined and focused on your savings journey. Then, create a savings plan. Begin by analyzing your current spending habits. Track your expenses for a month to identify where your money is going. Categorize your spending into essentials like rent and groceries and non-essentials like dining out and entertainment. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This ensures that a portion of your income is consistently being saved without you having to think about it. Additionally, consider using apps that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. Review your subscription services and memberships. Often we sign up for services that we rarely use. Cancel any subscriptions that are not providing value to you. This can free up a significant amount of money each month. Another way to cut unnecessary expenses is by cooking at home more often. Dining out can be convenient, but it is usually more expensive than preparing meals at home. Plan your meals for the week, make a grocery list, and stick to it. This not only saves money, but also promotes healthier eating habits. When shopping, always compare prices and look for discounts or coupons. Buying in bulk for items you use regularly can also lead to savings. However, be cautious not to buy items in bulk that you may not use before they expire. Utilize free resources available to you, such as public libraries for books and movies, or community events for entertainment. These alternatives can provide the same enjoyment without the cost. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Interest on credit card debt can accumulate rapidly, eating into your finances. Prioritize paying off these debts to save money on interest payments in the long run. By identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, every small saving adds up over time, bringing you closer to financial freedom. Section 6. Strategies for effective saving. There are many tools and apps available to help you budget and save money. These tools can track your spending, categorize transactions, and even help you set financial goals. Explore different options and find one that suits your needs and preferences. Section 7. Utilizing budgeting tools and apps. Don't get overwhelmed by trying to change everything at once. Start with small, manageable changes to your spending and saving habits. As you become more comfortable with budgeting, you can gradually make bigger changes. Section 8. The power of small changes. Budgeting is not about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices with your money so you can achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life. By managing your money wisely, you can reduce financial stress and gain peace of mind. Section 9. Building a secure financial future. If you're struggling to manage your finances or have complex financial needs, consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and help you create a solid financial plan. Section 10. Seeking professional financial advice. Budgeting is the foundation of sound financial management. By taking control of your finances, you can achieve your goals, build a secure future, and live with financial confidence. Start budgeting today and experience the transformative power of financial wellness. Section 11. Conclusion: embracing financial wellness.